The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is first Saturday of August and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 14 verses 1 to 12. The gospel states on how Herod was secretly believing and enjoying listening to Saint John the Baptist. However, while he was believing and enjoying listening, he was easily affected and pressured by the people around him. He wanted to believe, but he couldn't put it into action. Just like when there was a banquet, he made a promise to the daughter of Herodias that whatever she asked after that beautiful dance, he would give everything. But he didn't expect that the daughter will ask for the head of John the Baptist. Imagine that. He was secretly enjoying listening. He was actually secretly admiring John the Baptist. But he couldn't say no to the request of the head of John the Baptist. Sometimes, it is not enough that we believe on things. It is all about having that commitment to stand for what we believe, commitment to stay true to our values and core, and commitment to support the cause that will bring out the best in the people and on ourselves. My dear sisters and brothers, let us not be like Herod, who allowed himself to be pressured by external forces, who allowed himself to be mistaken on his decisions simply because he didn't want to break his promise. At the end, it is all about commitment to the truth, commitment to our passion for truth, and commitment to our Lord, who gave us the light to know what is right. Knowing what is right and putting it into action will make us different from Herod. God bless you, and may the Lord continue to guide us in all our decisions in life.